Let's make classic guacamole. Fresh, simple, and packed with flavor. All you need are a few ingredients and a couple minutes. Start with ripe avocados. Slice them in half, remove the pits, and scoop the flesh into a bowl. Add some heat with chopped jalapeno. More if you like it spicy, less if you don't. Next, finely chop a handful of fresh cilantro and add it to the bowl. Now, squeeze in the juice of a fresh lime. It adds zing and keeps guacamole from browning. Finish it off with some garlic powder, salt, pepper, and cumin to deepen the flavor. Give it all a good mix, and that's it.